Hello friend, welcome back to this channel. You are watching online website 24. Today I say about how to active fiber pause gig. If you have multiple gigs in pause, then how to activate those pause gig. If you have same problem, then see this video until end, then you can also active your any pause gig. Now at first go to your Fiverr website and log in your account. In my case I have already logged in my account. Then go to your profile. After opening your profile, you see this type of interface is open. In here your profile description, and in here active gig and pause gig. You see here, in here active gig and in here pause gig. In my case there are two gigs which are already paused. This is one and another is one. There are no active gig in my case. Now I have active in those pause gig. During active gigs on pause gig, click on this three dot, and you see in here active option. Click this active, and you see this or gig has hidden in this pause dashboard, and it is go to an active tab. In here it is means this gig is now activate. Any buyer can buy this gig. Similarly, there is another gig. I also this gig activate. In this time there are no pause gig. All two gigs are activate, and in here you see there are no pause tab in header option. So in this way you can activate your any pause gig. If you like this video, I hope you understand this video, so please like this video, and if you are new user, so please subscribe this channel and click the bell notification for latest update.